What's going on, guys? Back again with another video of UFA. Man, we're like making history every day in America right now, and this coronavirus is absolutely getting out of control. Tanner and I, we have just trying to self-quarantine. We haven't been able to make a ton of videos here lately. We're not been able to get in the boat together with one another. It's just been super difficult with this sickness going around. But we went fishing about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and we had this 5-pounder present itself, and I was rolling the camera, fortunately, and we wasn't going to make a video, period, and it ended up, with the 5-pounder on camera and several other catches on film. I told Tanner, I said, there's no way we cannot go without making a video. So we hope you guys enjoyed this. We appreciate the support here at UFA. Without you guys, it just wouldn't give us the motivation to get out here with our camera gear and try to capture footage. But just stay with us. We're trying to make as much video content as we can with this virus, but it's just being difficult on us. And the rainy weather, guys. I mean, we're already record breaker for 2020. It's just terribly hard. The water temperature is staying kind of low. The water condition is just staying muddy or murky, and it's just making for bad fishing this spring. But we're going to get after it as soon as this virus gets down. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to get this video turned over and get it rolling. Hope you guys enjoy, and we hope we continue to have your support throughout this channel. Thanks for watching, guys.
Huh? Oh my God. What do you mean? Yeah. Oh, they're killing the fluke. Where's the fish? Got him. Perfect hook sets too. He's been eating some kind of worm, man. Look at that in there. got another one. Yeah. Got him. That's what we're looking for right there, boys! Get him out of there!
Look at that hog. That's a high freaking pound bass up there.
Giant laying on a bed over there, bro.
Oh my god.
Giant.
There were they big.
That's what we're after right there.
Look at that.
Giant.
Giant big.
That's a big female, dude. Ready?
5.33 pounds.
Nice, bro. That's a great fish. There you go, dude. Great fish.
There you go, big girl.
That net job, oh.
And a crappie. Where did you crappie?
Yeah, I got a fish on still. We're just reeling them in everywhere here today, folks. I just tell you. Well, guys, we're about to lose light, and we wasn't gonna make a video at all today. And when a 5-pounder presents itself and you're rolling cameras, you gotta make a video. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's nothing spectacular, but we definitely wanted to throw this together so we could present that 5-pounder Tanner caught off that tree. She was definitely on the spawn bed. The water temperature is about 65 today. He's running the Panoptics on the front, and he said there was a ton of fish over there, and sure enough, there was a 5-pounder laying right off the end of that log. But we hope you guys enjoyed this little clip right here, and as always, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for another Untamed Fishing Adventures video in the near future.